Gluteus maximus. Origin: gluteal surface of ilium, lumbar fascia, sacrum, and sacrotuberous ligament. Insertion: gluteal tuberosity of the femur and iliotibial tract. So the gluteus maximus is this muscle from here to here. Gluteus medius. Origin: gluteal surface of ilium under gluteus maximus. Insertion: greater trochanter of the femur. So the gluteus medius is located around here. Gluteus minimus. Origin: from area in between the anterior gluteal line and inferior gluteal line of gluteal surface of ilium under gluteus medius. Insertion: greater trochanter of the femur. So the gluteus minimus is the muscle here. Piriformis. Origin: sacrum. Insertion: greater trochanter. So this is the sacrum, the origin, and the insertion is in the greater trochanter, which is here. Superior gemellus. Origin: spine of ischium. Insertion: obturator internus tendon. So this is the superior gemellus. Obturator internus. Origin: ischiopubic ramus and obturator membrane. Insertion: medial aspect of the greater trochanter. So this is the obturator internus. Inferior gemellus. Origin: ischial tuberosity. Insertion: obturator internus tendon. Obturator externus. Origin: obturator foramen and obturator membrane. Insertion: trochanteric fossa of femur. Quadratus femoris. Origin: ischial tuberosity. Insertion: intertrochanteric crest. Rectus femoris. Origin: anterior inferior iliac spine and the exterior surface of the bony ridge which forms the groove on the iliac portion of the acetabulum. Insertion: inserts in the patellar tendon as one of the four quadricep muscles. Vastus intermedius, which is just under the rectus femoris. Origin: anterolateral femur. Insertion: quadriceps tendon. Vastus lateralis. Origin: medial side of femur. Insertion: quadriceps tendon. Same goes for the vastus medialis. It has the same origin and insertion. Sartorius muscle. Origin: acis. Insertion is in the pes anserinus. So the sartorius muscle actually stretches from the acis until the pes anserinus where the insertion is. Semimembranosus. Origin: ischial tuberosity. Insertion: medial condyle of tibia. So this is the semimembranosus. And the semitendinosus. Origin: lower quadrangular part of tuberosity of the ischium. Insertion: pes anserinus. And this is the semitendinosus, and it extends to here. And the biceps femoris. Origin: tuberosity of ischium, linea aspera femur. Insertion: the head of the fibula which articulates with the back of the lateral tibial condyle. So this is the biceps femoris. Adductor longus. Origin: superior ramus of the pubis. Insertion: medial third of the linea aspera. So the adductor longus is around here, and the Pectineus is just above the adductor longus. So the adductor longus can be palpated here. Adductor brevis, deep to the pectinus and adductor longus. Origin, medial pubis, insertion, linea aspera. So the adductor brevis is just around here. It's just above the pectinus and the adductor longus. Gracilis muscle. The gracilis muscle is this long, slender muscle starting from here to here. So the origin is in the pubic symphysis and inferior pubic ramus. Insertion, medial surface of the tibia via the pes anserinus. Adductor magnus is a large triangular muscle situated on the medial side of the thigh, and it can be palpated by locating it here. Tibialis anterior. Origin, upper half and lateral condyle of tibia. Insertion, medial cuneiform and first metatarsal bones of the foot. Extensor hallucis longus. Origin, arises from the middle portion of the fibula on the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. Insertion, inserts on the dorsal side of the base of the distal phalanx of the big toe. Extensor digitorum longus. Origin, anterior lateral condyle of tibia, anterior shaft of fibula, and superior 3/4 of interosseous membrane. Insertion, dorsal surface, middle and distal phalanges of lateral 4 digits. Peroneus tertius. Origin, distal anterior surface of the fibula, also interosseous membrane. Insertion, dorsal surface of metatarsal 5. Peroneus longus. Origin, proximal part of lateral surface of shaft of fibula. Insertion, first metatarsal medial cuneiform. Peroneus brevis. Origin, lower 2/3 of lateral fibula. Insertion, fifth metatarsal. Flexor digitorum longus. Origin, posterior surface of the body of tibia. Insertion, plantar surface base of distal phalanges of the 4 lesser foes. So this is the flexor digitorum longus, and it extends until the phalanges. Tibialis posterior. Origin, tibia and fibula. Insertion, navicular and medial cuneiform bone. So this is the tibialis posterior. Flexor hallucis longus. Origin, fibula, posterior aspect of middle 1/3. Insertion, plantar surface base of distal phalanx of hallux. So this is the flexor hallucis longus. Soleus. Origin, fibula, medial border of tibia. Insertion, tendocalcaneus. So this whole thing is the soleus. And gastrocnemius. Origin, superior to articular surface of lateral condyle of femur and medial condyle of femur. Insertion, tendocalcaneus, Achilles tendon into mid-superior calcaneus. So this whole thing is the gastrocnemius. Medial arch, like this. transverse arch is like this and like that, and the lateral arch is here.